Hello friends, welcome to Insight Learners. So in this video we shall discuss the bitwise, that is analytical part. So we shall quickly see the first question. There will be 10 MCQ questions in analytical part. So we shall see the first question. So this is on a code language. In a certain code language, hash percentage and means bright sweet boy, hash at then exclamatory mark it means tall big boy, and 6 and 7 means beautiful sweet flower. So first thing is we shall write the given. So the given is that they have told that is hash percentage and, which means bright sweet boy. So they have told which means bright sweet boy, so which is nothing but the bright sweet boy. So next thing is the hash at that is exclamatory mark means tall big boy, so which means tall big boy. And the next one is the 6 and 7 means beautiful sweet flower, so which means beautiful sweet flower. So then first thing is find the similar word in all three. You can say here the similar is boy, so here also we have boy, here also we have boy. So which is the code word which is repeated? You can say hash, so you can say hash is repeated. So next thing is that, so the code word for boy you can easily find, it is hash. Similarly next thing is beautiful sweet flower, so tall big boy. Here also, here we have sweet, here we have sweet, so here 6 and 7, so you can say here also and is there. So the code word for sweet you can easily find, it is and. So remaining is bright, and you need to find the code word for bright itself. So bright is nothing but remaining is percentage, so the percentage you can say it is the code word for the bright. So from the option given below you can say the percentage is the correct answer for this question, option C, that is percentage. So next thing is the second question. A clock loses the 1% time during the first week and then gains 2% during the next 1 week. So if a clock was set at right 12 noon on a Monday, what will be the time that the clock will show exactly 14 days from the time it was set right? So from the 14 minutes, so first thing is you need to find the number of seconds which is lost in the first week. So number of seconds lost in the first week. So number of seconds which is lost in first week, which is equal to, so 1% is nothing but 1 divided by 100, which is 0.01, into 1 week has 7 days, into, so 24 hours into minutes, so 60 into 60, because you need to calculate. So because you need to calculate for 2 weeks, 1 week as well as 2 weeks, totally 2 weeks, so 24, so 24, then after that into 60 into 60, that is minutes, which is equal to, so upon simplification you will have 6048. So next thing is similarly seconds lost in second week. So number of seconds which is lost in second week, so second week it is 2%, which is nothing but 0.02 into 7 into again 24 hours into 60 into 60 minutes, so which is equal to 2 into 6048. So you need to find the net gain. So what is the net gain? So net gain it is 6040. Net gain in 6048 second is equal to, so you need to calculate. So what is the net gain in 6048 second, which is nothing but it is 1 hour 48 minutes. So 1 hour, so it is 1 hour 40 minutes, it is 1 hour 40 minutes 48 seconds. So the net gain you can say 1 hour 40 minutes 48 seconds is the answer for this question. So the next question is logical. So like find the missing number from the series 4845 452 5964 and the question mark. So here we can say that there is 4845, then after that 452. So here you can say the first number is taken, then the last number is taken, and the 2 is added. Similarly here also you will do the same. First number you need to take, last number you need to take, which will be 554, and 2 is added. So answer for this question is 452. So then the fourth question. So the fourth question is on missing alphabet series. So missing alphabet series, in which you need to fill the missing alphabet. So here you can say B, C, D is there, A is missing. Here also B, C, D, A is missing. So you can say A is the answer for this question. A, B, C, D, B, C, A, D, then C, A, B, D, then A, B, C, D, B, C, A is missing, C, A, B, D. So answer for this question will be 5 A's. So this is for fourth question. So then next thing is we shall quickly see the fifth question. So the fifth question is that Reshma and Praveena are ranked. So Reshma and Praveena, they are ranked 9th and 13th from the top in a class of 57 students. What will be the respective ranks? What will be the respective ranks from the bottom of the class? So from the bottom of the class, what is the rank you need to find? So the first thing is how many number of students are there you need to find. So first thing is solution. First you need to find the total number of students in a class. It is 57. So they have told 57 students. And then after that Reshma's rank. So what is Reshma's rank from the top? So Reshma's rank from top, it is 9. So it is 9. And similarly Praveena's rank. So similarly Praveena rank from top, it is 13. So Praveena rank from top, which is equal to 13. So next thing is from the bottom. So from bottom is nothing but you need to do. So from bottom Reshma's rank. So from bottom Reshma's rank is equal to, so totally there are 57 students, which is equal to 57 minus 9. So you need to do 57 minus 9. So which is equal to 48, and including Reshma, so which is equal to 49. Similarly from bottom, so from bottom you can say Praveena's rank. So from bottom Praveena's rank, which is equal to again 57 minus 13 plus 1 including him, so which is equal to 44 plus 1, which is equal to 45. So you can say the Reshma's rank is 49 from bottom, and then it is 45 for Praveen. So the answer for this question is 49, 45, which is nothing but option B is the correct answer for this question. So next thing is the sixth one, cutlery is to knife, and this is logical relational. So you need to find the relationship between those words. So cutlery is to knife. So knife, it has a cutlery, and there was a option, and so there were around 4 options, and the correct answer you can say handle is to suitcase, because suitcase has a handle. So you can say handle is to suitcase is the correct answer for this question based on the options. So next thing is the 8th question. So the 8th question is again, if ONDOR is coded as NRBTLX, then you need to find what will be the code for Calcutta. So it is the code for the Calcutta. So here you can say ONDOR. So here we have O, then after that N. So find the relation between those words. So here we have O, then after that, so first N comes, then later O comes. So N, then O, then after that N, O, P, Q, R. So here for the next letter you are adding plus 3. So next thing is B, C, D. So here it is minus 1, then minus 2, plus 4. You need to keep on doing. Similarly you need to do for Calcutta. So for Calcutta again, so minus 1 is nothing but it will be B, then after that A. So again you need to add plus 3. So A, B, C, D, E. So which will be E. Similarly again minus 2. So minus 2 is nothing but here we have L. So J, K, L. So J, then after that you have C plus, so plus 3 is done, plus 4. C is there. So C, D, E, F, G. So here we have added, so for the A, B, C, D, E. So next thing is we have the C. So C is there, D, E, F, G, H. So you need to add, so G, H, but there is no I in the option, which means that you need to add plus 5, which will be I. So next thing is again, so U is there. So next thing is C is done. So we have done with 4 letters, then after that U is there. So P, Q, R, S, T, U. So next thing is you are going to write R. So R, S, T, U. So minus 3, which is nothing but R. So next thing is, so we have T. So P Q R S T U V W X Y Z A, which means you add 6 for the word. So then after that, so again minus 4 I think you need to, so it will be P, and then again adding plus 7, so which will be I. So the answer is B J I R A P I. So B E J I R B E J, so which is equal to B J I R A P I. That is option D is the correct answer for this question. So next thing is the blood relations. So the blood relation is that they have told the Suresh sister is the wife of Ram, and Ram is Rani's, and the Ram is Rani's brother, and the Ram's father is Madhur. Sheetal is Rani's grandmother, and Reema is Sheetal's daughter-in-law, and the Rohit is Rani's brother's son. Who is Rohit to Suresh? So who is Rohit to Suresh? First thing is they have told the Suresh sister is the wife of Ram. Suresh sister, she is the wife of Ram. Means Ram is the husband of Suresh. So Suresh sister, Suresh sister's husband. So Suresh is having a sister. So you can say Suresh. So you can say there is a Suresh. So Suresh sister's husband. So Suresh sister's husband. So Suresh sister's husband is nothing but his name is Ram. So next thing is Ram is Rani's brother. So means Ram's sister is Rani. So Ram's sister is Rani. Then after that they have told Ram's father is Madhur, and Sheetal is the Rani's grandmother, and Reema is Sheetal's daughter-in-law. So who is Reema is Sheetal's daughter-in-law, and Rohit is Rani's brother's son. So Rani's brother's son is Rohit. And they are telling what is the relation between the Rohit and the Suresh. So here we have Suresh and here we have Rohit, and what is the relation between the, so what is the relation, who is Rohit to Suresh? For Suresh, what should be the Rohit relationship? So if Suresh sister's husband is Ram, and the Ram's sister is Rani, and then you can say Rani's brother's son. So brother's son or sister's son, we call it as nephew or niece. So here we have brother's son. So if it is brother's son, then for Rohit to Suresh it will be a nephew. So you can say the answer for this question is nephew. That is the option B is the correct answer for this question, that is nephew. Then coming to the 9th and the 10th question. So the 9th question, again it was like the first question we discussed, like code word. So certain code language is given like such, and you need to, so same, first thing is find the repeated word from the question, and then you need to find the code word for the particular alphabet. So for 9th question answer is tilde sign 1 and 9, and 10th question was on direction. So direction like P plus Q means P is to the north of Q, like so there will be, the question was on directions, and you need to find, so at what direction, you need to find the answer for the 10th question. It is on, it's northeast. So northeast is the answer for the 10th question. So in this video we have discussed all the 10 questions of analytical part that was asked in Bitwise. So thank you friends for watching, and do subscribe our channel for more updates.